Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Osmosis.
Welcome back to Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about the cryptocurrency called Osmosis. As you guys may know, this is not financial advice.
So as you guys know, today as of recording this on 6th of January, Bitcoin has dumped to 42k. Therefore, that has caused the entire market to seriously dump today. Especially Osmosis, it has not had a good day. As you can see, it is just dumped from all the way up from 14 to 9. So it's not had a good day at all. But if we have a look down here again, if we have a look here, we can see it is a $2 billion market cap, which is a very large market cap. But this is a very good project for what it does. So we'll have a look at the charts here just briefly before we actually look at the proper technical analysis. As you can see, in the past 30 days, it has still been going up. So we are definitely, of course, not financial advice, due for a downtrend here. But if we go in the 90 days as well, as you can see, this has just been a huge uptrend, and what goes up comes down faster. So this is most likely going to have a drop, especially due to what Bitcoin's doing right now. We'll have to wait to see what Bitcoin's doing. As we do know, Bitcoin is the leader, and Osmosis is heavily following Bitcoin. It is not its own project at the end of the day, not like some other projects that are not phased by Bitcoin at all, such as PBX, XNL, things like that. Osmosis is very heavily reliant on Bitcoin, as we can see here with what's going on. You can see the best place to only buy it is Osmosis itself, but I believe you might be able to buy it on Qcoin. Actually, no, you cannot buy it on Qcoin. You can only buy it on Osmosis. So we actually have a look what it does just briefly. It's the same as most decentralized exchanges. You can be buying. You can do all your decentralized trades. There's also pools. There's staking as well, and there's the DAO votes as well. So we have a look in the current liquidity of what's going on. The volume as well. We're having the highest volume at the moment is, well, yesterday was, or the day before yesterday. We've reached $100 million in volume, which is absolutely huge. $120 million in volume on the 4th, and the liquidity right now is higher than ever as well at $1 billion. And of course, Osmosis being the largest one, then Cosmos, which is our last video actually, if you want to go watch that. But if we have a look on Twitter of what people are saying, what's going on, we can have a look here. As they say, it's a historic triple record for Osmosis. At an all-time high it broke, which is still above that all-time high at $7.75. We're above that. We're at $9 something, and we've had $95 million in volume. So there's a lot going on. This was 2 days ago. The 1 billion I showed you just now. As we see, there's a lot of things coming. This was posted quite a while ago, but there's a lot of things coming. As we can see, Cosmos one of them, which I've mentioned in the last video, to do with Atom. As you know, they are kind of partnered. So we have superfluid staking as well, which is huge. LBP 2.0, Ethereum integration, and the stable swap, and there's a lot more to come as well. There's a lot of people bullish on this project. It is a good project. So if we jump into the technical analysis,
Yeah, as you can see on the daily time frame, we can see that the price has been dropping throughout the past day. However, from what we understand, the cryptocurrency still has a lot of potential. The volume is still increasing, and it does look very, very bullish from the technical standpoint. But from the analysis and chart standpoint, we have dropped a lot today, and it's very, very normal. It does look like a pump and dump, but yeah, it just looks like a bit of manipulation. A lot of breaking out traders, lost a lot of money within that long. But I do think that we are potentially going to continue to move higher as Bitcoin starts to regain its more balance as time goes along. But yeah, comment down below if you do think, this cryptocurrency has got a lot of longevity, because this cryptocurrency, it is growing, the ecosystem is growing. It's just the recent performance that's been letting it down. So yeah, comment down below what you guys think as well. Okay, as you can see on the hourly time frame, we can see a massive, massive drop from almost $20 all the way to $10. And as you can see here, it is kind of depressing for everyone that wanted to be like, breaking out. And people were thinking the price was breaking out, it was about to reach all-time highs. Next thing you know is it just dumps. And this is very, very weird. And it does happen sometimes, but a double bottom was formed just before the massive pump. So, all of the technicals were right. Double bottom was formed right there within the two down close candles. And, it did look like it wanted to be breaking all-time highs. But as you can see, this stuff happens, and, Bitcoin all of a sudden started to drop. And it caused the cryptocurrency to drop as well. So a lot of funds were probably lost, and a lot of traders lost a lot of money. But, an opportunity where people lose money is another opportunity where you can make money. So For someone to win, someone has to lose. So keep that in mind. And yeah,
So that is now it for this video. If you have enjoyed, make sure you slap a like on the video and also press that red subscribe button. It really does help, and you definitely want to be stay tuned for the future videos that do come out. So thank you very much for watching and have a lovely rest of your day.